Hello friends, this is Durga from IT University. Recently I have started a new playlist called HDP Certified Developer using Java. It is from Hortonworks distribution, and if you go to the syllabus and if you go to the exam objectives, these are the tasks which you need to be proficient with. The first one being writing a Hadoop MapReduce application in Java, which involves setting up the development environment either by using Eclipse or STS, Spring Tool Suite, which is nothing but Eclipse with Maven plugin and all. And then you have to draft the pom.xml in such a way that you integrate the dependent jar files to develop and then run the MapReduce applications. And then as part of this first task, you should be able to write simple MapReduce applications. And as part of my videos, I have covered how to leverage the default MapRun reducer that are available as part of the MapReduce APIs. And also it gives introduction about input formats, output formats, and also we will write a custom program called row count, where we get the number of rows in our data set. And then we will see the complete MapReduce lifecycle at a higher level. We will be introduced to key value types, and then we will also see how we can actually run a MapReduce application on cluster. And also I will give some introduction about counters and how we can so what is the relevance about parameter files, parameters, and also split size. So everything will be covered as part of the first task, and you can go through all these videos which are already added to the playlist, starting from brief HDFS introduction and then MapReduce API introduction, and then developing couple of MapReduce applications and playing with parameters. And also you will be running the MapReduce application both using STS, which stands for Spring Tool Suite, and also on the cluster. To get the code base, you can go to my GitHub account and click on code, click on Hadoop, and under NYSE you can find this code src main java, and this is the one which I have used to this is the code base. You can actually configure on your Maven. You can actually get the entire NYSE project, create as a pom.xml, and start working on it. And also if you go through the certification resource they have provided, if you click on this link, there is an emphasis on word count program. So I will highly recommend you to develop this word count program after going through my material. And also I think as part of the GitHub I might have already added my own version of word count also. I might not have, I am not 100% sure, but I use a data set called New York Stock Exchange data, and started with it's a structured data which have 7 fields. You will understand once you start looking through the videos. And for the data, you can go to my GitHub account, and there is a directory called data, and in that there is a directory called NYSE, and this is the tar file which you can download and play with to test your code base against the data set. And also I'll be using Hortonworks virtual machine to run these programs as we try to run in cluster. So I will upload a video about how to set up the Hortonworks on your laptop. And if you don't have Hortonworks VM, or if you don't have enough configuration on your laptop to support Hortonworks VM, which requires at least 16 GB of RAM, you can also go to my channel and go to plain vanilla Hadoop. There is a playlist called Plain Vanilla Hadoop, and you can actually set up a plain vanilla VM with HDFS and yarn, and you will be able to run the programs even on the plain vanilla Hadoop. So you can choose any VM, or even you can set up on your own to run these programs. There is no need to have Hortonworks itself, but most of my demonstrations I think are done using Hortonworks. That being said, for each line item I will add the videos, and I will have an introduction video like this, so that you understand what all videos you need to follow. So for this, writing a Hadoop MapReduce application, you have to go through all these videos. Don't worry, not all topics will be this elaborative. This one is the launching pad, so it's a little bit heavy. Typically there will be 4 or 5 videos for each learning objective. That being said, I hope you will enjoy the content on the channel, especially the playlist for Hortonworks certified Java developer. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you want to provide feedback, please use the comment section of the video. And if you have any questions, go to Stack Overflow and ask questions on with appropriate tags. I will try to answer with best of my knowledge, and also you will have support from others also. Someone will respond to your questions, so I will not be bottleneck for you. And also, if you want to discuss further about certifications, I have a group called ITversity Hadoop Certifications. You can send a request to join, and I will add it to you. We can discuss about any certification. And if you are a student, you can join my group called ITversity US MS 2017. I am planning to train students who will be passing out in 2017. So you can become a member of this group, and I will and stay tuned for more information about training in the latest technologies. And finally, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will get to see a lot more content like this over time. Thank you. Bye.